So deadheading butterfly bushes. If you have an older butterfly bush, older than in the last few years, you likely have a pretty good sized shrub like this that's probably in full bloom right now and starting to get a lot of seed heads forming. So what you want to do to keep the plant blooming and prevent all of those seed heads from ripening and taking away energy is to deadhead those off. So it's pretty easy to do. Just take your pruners in. You'll notice that most branches end in these really large terminal flower clusters. So you can just cut those off right here. Try to zoom in. If you look and see where that's attached, off it goes. Kind of hard to do a video like this with my cell phone with one hand, but you can do that. And then these side buds will form and you'll get lots of new flowers. You can see here we've got one starting to do that here from an earlier pruning cut that I made probably a week or so ago. Let me see where I cut that. So they are opposite budded, so you will almost always get branching wherever you prune at buds or where the leaves come out. So hope that makes sense. Very easy. If you keep doing that, you'll have lots of flowers throughout the summer months into the early fall on your butterfly bush.